Hi everyone. Well, my new paper pumpkin kit just arrived and I have to open it up even though I was in the middle of working. Gotta stop what I'm doing to open it up. So this one is the February 2025 Hello Spring paper pumpkin kit. Okay, let me move this so I don't make a mess. Okay. Ooh, our spot today is Petunia Pop. I don't think we have that color spot. At least I don't see one on my little basket of spots. Okay. All right, look how pretty. So we've got, these are those little chives that I've seen, and that is your spot. So you've got some stamping to do. Let's open it up and see the contents. I love when there's baker's twine or like a linen thread, so that makes me happy. And look at these envelopes. Those are fun. I'm going to show you the stamp in just a second. I'm going to find the little label for it so that we can see it better. Right now, those are the people who come to my stamp camps are saying, oh my goodness, she's using the ribbon scissors on her stuff. That's because I didn't bring home enough scissors last time we were in the classroom, and I must have left my snips at home. I don't know, or at the school. I don't know where they are. Okay, anyway, here we have some linen thread and some tear tape. These are the envelopes. Look how fun. So they open on the side, kind of like a seed packet would open, because we were talking spring and we've got these beautiful plants. So this is a really fun envelope. I think they're all the same. Yeah, so you've got 9 of these really nice envelopes. Those are really pretty. Okay, look at how many, I call these puffies, and so I almost call them puffies, but look how many dimensionals you get in this one. That's a great amount. Okay, so there are 3 different card bases. Here's one. It looks like the inside of the envelopes. Here's some elements here. These are little die cutouts, some labels. All right, and then we've got some more elements. These 2 card bases. I love these. They're kind of shimmery. I don't know if you can see that. This one looks like maybe gold or copper. I'm not quite sure. Foiling on that one, not this one, but this one has a little bit of that, which is really pretty, and maybe champagne foil. So these have that as well. So there's 6 labels, and then here are some more. Oh, these are really pretty. Now, if you were to stamp something like this, it's like you have the stamped image and then you use a sponge to ink it up. See how you've got different tones here? It looks like some Lost Lagoon with some old olive, and then this looks like Granny Apple Green with some old olive. It's just really pretty how they softly change the colors of those greens. Beautiful. And there are 3 sheets of those, and one more sheet. Oh, here we've got some chives. And I think on the picture on the front, it looks like that gets stamped. Now I'm looking for the instruction sheet. Oh, I bet it's right there. Yep. Okay, so this is the stamp set. And if you haven't noticed in the past, you can fold this and it makes a little pouch for your stamps, and you can put some tear tape along 2 sides, and then you've got this little pouch and you know what's in there, and maybe you've got a binder that you keep these in or some sort of thing, a little file folder, little flip bin, but it's really nice to see what's in there. And so these are Hello Spring, and here are those chives. So if you wanted to kind of emulate how they look here, you would just take your, like a sponge, and add different greens on the stamp, and you get these different tones like that. And then for your chive flower, you're going to use the Petunia Pop. Super cute. Sending love to a wonderful friend. Hello Spring. Happy Easter. Thanks for helping me grow and chives. And a little background here that looks like the background of the card base. Okay, so this is the February 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you missed out on this one and you wished you got it, I always buy more than one, so I have some to sell. And I list what I have left available at my blog. And if you go to bethspapercuts.com and you click on the garage sale tab, you will see retired stamps, dies, paper pumpkin kits, and you'll see all that I have available. And here are the instructions. Here are the finished cards. Look how pretty. I love which one's my favorite? I think the blue is my favorite. I just love that chive. Really pretty. They're all pretty though. This one, you could probably, if you want to stretch this kit further, see how they've got three, where are they? Here they are. They've got 3 of these all on one card front. You could probably just put 2 or even 1 and kind of make it like this and stretch out that pretty background even further onto some other card bases that you have. Maybe you've got some card stock at home, you could make even more. So really pretty die cuts in this one. Same thing with this one, there's a lot of die cuts on there. You could take one out and put it on over here. You can do lots of stuff with this one. That's really pretty. Okay, so that is my kit. I hope you like it. Again, if you ever miss a kit and wish you got it, maybe there's one you missed in the past and you're starting to see some alternatives and you're wishing you had it, go check out what I have available. I have some, I don't have a lot, I have a few still from the past. Most of them are the newer ones, but there are some older ones still available on my blog, and some stamps and dies and all kinds of fun stuff there. So check out my garage sale tab at bethspapercuts.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.